What if you have a new computer and don't have any photo editing software installed on your Windows computer? Actually, you don't need to have those high-end tools to edit photos professionally. There are few websites where you can upload your image file to edit pictures.
Phota. Phota is an awesome website where you need to upload your image file to start editing photos. This cool website provides options to create the collage, edit photos, apply filters and much more. Pixel Editor. This is another awesome tool where you can edit the images without the need for any software. Pixel Editor provides a Photoshop-like interface to edit photos professionally. Pixel Editor provides some awesome editing features. BeFunky Photo Editor. Whenever it comes to photo editing, BeFunky Photo Editor have the potential to compete with several high-end photo editing tools. This website produces some awesome photographs and captivating designs with fun. You will find lots of photo editing features in BeFunky Photo Editor. PicMonkey. This is another awesome photo editing tool that will help you to edit photos with ease. You can use PicMonkey online photo editor to make collage and create awesome filters. This web-based photo editing tool packs some awesome feature that will take your photos to the next level. PhotoJet. If you are looking for an all-in-one tool where you can edit photos, design graphics and create collages, then PhotoJet is the best option for you. This web-based tool provides some powerful editing tools which will help you to create stunning photos. I hope this guide was informative for you. Your feedback is gladly appreciated. Please leave us a comment in the comments section if you have any other tips and tricks you want to share with us. Subscribe my channel for more latest updates about tech, app gadgets, review and other latest information.